HCSS Estimating Software Review 2025. Is it the right choice for construction estimating? If you're in the construction industry, you know that accurate estimating can make or break a project, but most people get this wrong by relying on outdated spreadsheets. That's where HCSS Estimating comes in. HCSS is designed specifically for construction professionals. You won't believe what happens next. It streamlines the estimating process with built-in cost databases, material pricing, labor rates, and productivity factors. Instead of manually calculating everything, the software does it for you, saving hours every week. One standout feature is the ability to create detailed bid proposals with itemized costs and customizable templates. You can also adjust estimates in real time as project conditions change, which is a game changer for contractors managing multiple bids at once. The software integrates with other HCSS solutions like HEVI and equipment management, giving you a full picture of project costs and timelines. The surprising truth is that while it's highly specialized, it's also user-friendly, with drag and drop functionality, easy reporting, and visual dashboards. On the downside, pricing can be steep for small businesses, and it may require some training to unlock all features. However, for medium to large construction companies that handle complex projects, HCSS Estimating can drastically improve accuracy and efficiency. So, is it the right choice? If your goal is to save time, reduce errors, and create more competitive bids, HCSS Estimating is one of the best tools available in 2025. For smaller projects or startups, it may be overkill, but for serious contractors, it's worth the investment.